Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking off this load bed on the double cab. First things first is we got to take off all the gates. So I already took off this side's gates. Now I got to take off this gate. Yeah, I mean, reason why I took off this gate first was because it was all rotted. I was going to try to start rebuilding it, but I'll save that for later. These Phillip head screws are all seized up. So what I had to do was just heat with a torch, hit it with my impact screwdriver. Oh jeez. And it finally came loose. These are so rotted that they just broke right off. But whatever, it is what it is. I'm expecting to break off a couple more, so I mean, let's get going. Got it. Oh my god. Well, I saw it move. I hope that just wasn't the head twisting. I'll work on the other side. Well, this side looks like someone's tried taking it off before. So hopefully this doesn't strip out, but I don't think it will. Okay. Time for the fucking torch. Oh, there she goes. Look at that, all you need is some heat. Let me get the other one. Maybe. Turning, but I don't know if it's freaking turning or if the head's just fucking twisting off. Maybe let's freaking shock it. Spooky! Got it. I'm not going to take it fully off. I'm going to do the other side first. Loosen that up, and then I'll start taking them off so this thing can drop smoothly. So, let's go do the other side. Alright, I didn't have to do this, but I guess I have to. This is just not coming out. I mean, it just spins and spins and spins. So, time to drill it out. Oh, she's out. Okay, cool. On to the other side. Alright, so how they factory put this bed on is they have it, won't be able to see, they have this lip bent over and crimped basically. So I've been looking, the only way to really take this bed off is to grind these outer surfaces, and then this bed should just lift right off, you know, with a hammer and chisel. So let's go try that. You can kind of see the layering right here. If I can get to my camera. Can you guys see that? You can see the layering of the metal. So I'll just keep going along the rest of the way, and then that will release this bed from the sides, and I'll have to work with all the bolts that are on it. So let me set you guys back up so you can see what I'm doing. That's good. Well, I got a boo-boo, so I'll start wearing some gloves. Probably a smart idea. So I just learned my lesson. And need to go grab my my goggles, because that would be another lesson for me. That would be a bad lesson. I'm gonna stop you guys here and then just do the rest of it, and then we'll go to the next step. The next step, after getting this lip off throughout the whole entire perimeter of this bed, now we gotta take these bolts out. So let's go get started on that. Oh, tack. All right, well, I guess I didn't even need to heat it. I mean, I'm gonna go try these ones, see if these are tight. I thought they were gonna be like freaking welded on with rust. So let's try it out. I got my breaker bar. I was gonna use my impact, but let's see. Maybe I won't need to. I did spray these for like 4 days straight with PB Blaster. Let me clean this up a little bit.
This one, the head's all messed up, so I'll try it. No, I'm not gonna look at this one. This one I can get. Alright. So.
comes out. This one we have to use a special socket. Alright, so I got this Irwin socket set. It's made for stripped head bolts, or stripped heads on bolts. So yeah, so let's try it out. I mean, you can see this thing's freaking mangled. Either that, it's just completely rotted. So I'm gonna hit this with a torch, get freaking liquid, and then I'll hit it with my impact. Got it. I love this socket set. I'll let that cool off and I'll take it out. Alright, now it's time to lift up this bed. Break all the spot welds along here with the ear chisel, and then yeah, should be good. So we are pulling all these up. They look pretty good. I mean, except for this. I don't know if that was rotted before and then my air hammer just killed it, but it feels pretty thin and whatever. Replace that. This one's giving me the most freaking trouble. I think it's giving me the most freaking trouble because see, all the other ones are just the bed support and they're doing beautiful. This one has this little I-beam right here. So, I mean, that must have something to do with it because all the other ones are super easy and this one's it's a baga. Alright, so I started doing this other side, pulling everything up. What I did notice is, remember on the other side how I kept breaking through? Well, it wasn't the air hammer, it's just because this cross piece is all rotted out. So no matter what, I'm gonna have to replace this. So I'll keep working at it. It's just difficult to get this bed metal up when it's all rotted right here. I mean, all the other ones are coming up super easy. It's just this one cross piece is giving me a lot of trouble. So I'll update in a little bit. All right, so we're all done getting the bed off. You see the big roll over there? Yep. So just going through inspection on this. All these cross pieces seem pretty good. There's some spots right here you guys can see that I'll have to replace. Right there. Don't mind my band-aid. It just fell off. And obviously this piece. So, you know, other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, everything's solid structurally. You know, that's what I really want to take this bed off for, is just to inspect all this stuff. Wheel wells look good. Yeah. So, there you guys have it. It's all done. So I think my next step would probably be maybe take the engine out. And then, yeah. I'll have the front floors, cargo floors, this bed off. I can start really sanding things down and putting like a rust preventer on it. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this helped someone out. Yeah, like and subscribe.